Hey y'all, Chaffanie Naycole here, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to my little digital space where I teach you how to use your iPad and increase your iPad productivity. In today's video, I will be planning my week. So if you want to see more videos like this, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. And I honestly have not done a plan the week with me video in a long time. I know I did it in this planner, but it's been a while since I've actually done one. I think I did one back in January. So yeah, I'll try to get more of these out because I do know you guys want to see, some ideas of how to lay out your weekly spreads and your monthly spreads. So I will do that. Okay, so I am going to be using the scribble feature in I think the whole video. So I just want to show you how to use the scribble feature if you have not used it. This is literally the perfect way, especially if you don't like your handwriting. Like, this is the perfect way to get perfect handwriting, is to use Scribble and use a cute font. And this is the font actually from my shop. So if you want that, I will link it down below. So you'll notice that my intention for the week is allowing myself to be present. And I've been practicing this for a while now because I struggle so much with being present. Like, I feel like my brain is in overload all the time and I get so overwhelmed. My anxiety heightens. I'm starting to even have flare-ups, and I didn't know that stuff affects, like, doing that affects, or being like that affects your body like that, and it's really starting to affect my body as well. So I'm just practicing like some different techniques to help me stay present. And you'll see, like, when we get further into the video, that I've actually started theming my days, so I can focus on one thing at a time instead of like 50 things at a time. I've also been to help me with being present, I've also been doing like 90-minute work sprints. So you basically work 90 minutes until the timer goes off, and you're working on one single task, not like multiple tasks at a time, just one single task until the timer goes off, and then you take a break. And that has been very, very helpful. But yeah, back to the planning. I just wanted to share that with you guys because I know that we all struggle with something. And if you guys have any other tips for me, please let me know in the comment section, and you might be actually helping somebody else out as well. This is one of my favorite hacks, especially lining up, and you're gonna see it in slow-mo. Ooh, I like that part. This helps you just basically have your text aligned on the lines, like the spacing. So yeah, try that instead of doing like single text boxes. Like, let's move away from that. Don't do that anymore. Earlier in the video, I did mention that I do theme my days, and that is what I'm doing right now. This has been helpful for me, especially with being present. So I just basically theme my days, and I have those 3 to 4 90-minute sprints to get things done, that specific task done. So for example, my content day, I have 3 to 4 90-minute sprints to record, edit, and do my captions and everything. So yeah, again, theming my days have been very, very helpful. So if you want to give that a go, give it a try and let me know how that works out for you. I'm kind of going to just speed through a little bit of this so we can get to a different part. So now after this, I'm just going to add in some stickers, and I do like to pull my sticker book over to a split screen. And yes, you can have 2 GoodNotes apps open at the same exact time. Yes, you can. I just find it so much easier to have my sticker book open side by side to my planner. Then I can just lasso and drag over, or I can use my image icon and long press and drag over. And I believe you will see me do both because sometimes authors make their stickers a little too close together. So if you use the lasso tool, it's going to pick up another sticker beside it. So what I like to do is use the picture icon or the image icon to pick up one single sticker. Okay, and now I'm gonna look for a cute quote on Pinterest, and I will be using the desktop version, like the actual website, instead of the Pinterest app, because then I can just drag and drop over to my planner. So you will notice that I do tap on the photo or the image when I find it. Instead of just dragging and dropping from here, I tap on it and I drag and drop. And this is because if you drag and drop from the actual search page, it's going to come out pixelated. Okay, and the last thing I'm going to add in are my widgets, and I will be using the color changing widgets that are new to the shop, and I'll link them in the description box. But I love these because these are not like the typical ones that I do have in the shop. Like these, you can actually change the color. You can change it to any color that you want to. So you will see me do that as well. And it also, if you do purchase these, they do come with instructions on how to use them. So make sure that you do check those out. And here I want to show you how to create a new line without using the keyboard. And I'm going to zoom in on this. So basically what you do is you tap below the top line and it will create a new line for you. The next thing I'm going to do is use the highlighter icon to basically highlight the headings of each section. And I'm going to use the highlighter icon again to make some little bullets. And that is it, y'all. Like I said, I will try to get more of these videos out in the future. If you want to see me plan in a different planner, just leave it in the comments. I have no problem with doing that. Thanks for watching this video, and until next time, bye y'all.